All right. Already. Got the little V6. Y'all say bye to the little V6, little 4x4. Okay. Funkertown said they ain't midnight no more, they daylight. I don't know.
Hey, daylight night. Y'all need to get out of the Hey, they ain't midnight no more, look out. They motherfucking ain't daylight now.
Daylight.
Afternoon. Got the midnight knocked off the ragged motherfucker. Hey, let's go. They coming through, man.
Oh, they finna get ready to race now.
What they got, 650?
I don't know. Yeah, 650. Yeah.
Anytime Tom, you see Tom, 650.
Yeah. I'm finna go see him. Somebody say you're in Funkertown no matter where you at the track. That's Slim Thug. They getting their gamble on up there. Man, what they doing right here?
That's why I say if we do one class, we'll put the modified bikes on.
Okay. Time about to get it. They shooting that dart. Oh, they done turn some music on tonight. Damn. Right when I don't feel like freestyling, and they got a whack beat. La 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 la. Hey, at the track. Hey. I'm in the lanes 1 and 2, trying to see exactly what it do. Okay, y'all, it's about to go down. Look out. Y'all on my YouTube channel, right?
What up?
Look out racing, man. Let me see.
Hey, man, I knew you was bullshit.
Look out.
Yeah, you got me.
Oh, you on there? Already.
I knew you was bullshit.
Nah, foot race? Nah, I don't feel like it right now. I'm out of there. Not all the way, but not ready to get in no damn race. Joe Hernandez, look out. Any drone videos coming up? It's been a long time since they donated for some drone footage, buddy. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. Long time coming. But I know the change gonna come. I can beat Forever Grudge.
Hey, he said he can beat you.
But I'm tired.
Bet that shit.
He said, you want to bet?
That shit.
I'll bet you now. If you want to bet, I'll whoop your ass.
Let's go.
All right.
Come on, look out.
All right.
Ah, damn. I didn't think you was going to do it.
I'm finna get right on his ass. I'm finna whoop Forever Grudge. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, watch
There you go. It's a whole.
Can I bring that 10 with me? Fuck, it's a good bet.
Yeah, I'm finna go on. Hey, y'all, I'm finna go on whoop.
Me and look out, we finna go head to head. Okay. It don't score on all the way. I'm finna whoop his ass real quick. Hey, bet pink slip. Forever Grudge.
I'm about to hold it for look out versus Forever Grudge.
You already know it. Come on, look out.
Look, he's unloading all the extra weight. He's unloading all the weight.
I feel like look out there.
Uh-oh. All right, let me get down to the finish line over here so we can get this.
You missed everything.
Hold on, let me get down here. Look out at Texas Racing Channel too. Don't forget Texas Racing Channel, baby. All right, well, who we going with, guys? Who we going with? You going with, is it? starting it? Pena, you starting it? All right, so far we've already had 2 pulled Hemis, but this look like daily driver class. We had big tire, well, we'll say big body, but someone, I mean, all these people racing on foot, someone's gonna die of a heart attack out here. Ain't no one out here in good shape. Ain't nobody out here in good shape. You going with right lane? Oh, I know Q's been, I've known him forever, so I know he ran from the cops before. Hey, Q, just imagine you're running from the police. All right. Oh shit, he's getting down in the stance and everything. Oh, he ain't fucking around. Oh, he ain't fucking around. He ain't messing around. Oh, look out. Look out, look out, got some form. Look out, got some form. Oh, this is about to be the small tire race of the evening. Hey, Forever, you better be careful. Oh, is he running into Sticky? Hey, put him in the groove. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, let's see who's going to fall. I got to look out on this one, though. Here it goes. Here we go. Oh, my God, that was close. Oh, we got to go to the photo finish for that one. Ooh, that was close. We got to go to the camera for that because we got slow-mo camera right here.
Look out.
Look out, got it?
By me.
Oh,
no. Forever Grudge got it.
Hey, you got it.
Oh, look at that. By a kneecap. By a kneecap. Oh. Oh, by a kneecap. You by a kneecap.
Oh my God.
What'd you say, boy?
Stop fucking with me. Look out, turn the nitrous on. Calm down. Look out, it's gonna turn the nitrous on. No.
Hey, you think that's look out?
It's gonna turn the nitrous on.
All right, hey,
Call him
I
out.
say.
Kneecap, bro. God damn, boy.
Hey,
Bro, I literally won by a kneecap.
hey, listen, I got some cocaine in the car. You need to hit?